Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to get NetSuite demo account. To get access to a NetSuite demo account, here's how you can proceed based on your situation. 1. If you're a prospective customer or lead, the official route is through Oracle NetSuite. Go to the NetSuite website and request for a free product tour. Fill out the demo request form with your contact info and business needs. A sales representative will follow up to schedule a guided demo or set up a 14-day trial sandbox, often via a partner. Two, through a NetSuite partner. Many authorized partners offer demo or trial environments. Partners like 8 Quanta provide hands-on access to pre-configured demo accounts, usually 14 days. Contact a partner, complete their intake form, and they'll set up your account and often offer a guided session. 3. If you're an educator, student, or developer, Oracle Academy provides demo environments for educators and students via academic partnerships. Partners may also access developer sandbox accounts for building and integrating NetSuite apps. Four, if you're an existing NetSuite user, you can request a sandbox environment for demo purposes via your NetSuite account. Ask your administrator to provision or refresh a sandbox for training and testing.
And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more NetSuite tips and insights. See you in the next one.